We were having trouble going live, so I just started a new video, and it should already be posted. Check that out. Enjoy it. Happy Passover, 5785. We also talked about oxygen in the early universe, which aligns well with Torah narrative and chronology and Perlman cosmology. From 10, it's been out into the 10th year, published, and there we go. And even a year or two before that, even it's holding up, panning out as the vastly higher probability science, and should replace after this shows MVP hypothesis here. So this is a more recent edition, though this already has the this edition had here's the old Exhibit A. Okay, radius I, that Y there, that's actually the radius of I, the inner universe. Okay, inner universe where the normal light that has never been subjected to departure, arriving here now, sitting at standard light speed, never subjected to any cosmic expansion. Everything beyond I had some subjugation, although cosmic blue shift offset, plus it's a lot of space between the mid-yellow spectrum and where it starts to become visible. So probably you may not notice it for a few million light years, where it's the distancing. But that's look back. No, we attained gravitational bound equilibrium early in history by the end of literal day 4. 85 years ago, using the tightest chronology, and once you factor in all the science, like I said, cosmic blue shift offset, the galaxies themselves are expanding, so the near side of the expanding proto-galaxies during cosmic inflation expansion day 4, they're going to be moving back toward us. So that's why you see even some near side blue shifting of distant galaxies, like for example Andromeda. It's not really moving toward us. That's look back to when the near side was moving toward us. Probably if you look at the far side of Andromeda, if you look at it from the other side of Andromeda, if you ever get that far, you'll probably notice that those are not blue shifted in relation to Earth. There might even be redshift, probably be redshifted on the far side of Andromeda. I wouldn't be surprised. So anyway, so and then we also have the vastly preferred view. So look at exhibits B, C, and D, and you'll see why we have a vastly preferred vantage point of the entire universe, of the visible universe, which approximates the entire universe compared to any distant vantage point, especially beyond spiral radius I, which is the number of light years equal to the years elapsed from when the universe transitioned from hyperdense to gravitational bound equilibrium. We're predicting once the technology catches up and they can get a firm grip on it and take into account those scientific variables that I mentioned, should pan out to 5,785. It won't be less than that because there's no credible chronology that's under 5,785. And okay, so happy Passover.